Hi guys, let's see the uses of OSNAP and the shortcuts used in OSNAP, that is OS, and the shortcut is OS. So I have unselected everything. So let's see the difficulties without snapping. So going to a line command, so tracking with endpoint. So it is quite difficult to track an endpoint. So I have selected and I want to move to a midpoint of this line. So I am selecting midpoint of this line and to the center of this circle. So I'm planning to make a line at the endpoint, midpoint of the circle. So let's check I have placed it correctly or not. So you can see the displacement at the center of the circle, and with the line also you can see it is not accurate. And the endpoint also it is quite difficult to see. You can see the difference is quite difficult. So go for object snap OS, enter, select all the snap modes and click OK. So now we can start drawing a line. So line, L, enter. You can see the endpoint has been tracked, and in case you need to go for the center of this line, so it is showing the endpoint, that is midpoint, and even the intersection point can be found here. So it is the intersection point, and going for the center of the circle, so it shows the center of the circle by default. So you can just click so you can check it out. So it is accurate, and with this line it is also accurate even at the endpoints, so it's correct. So it is the advantage of object snap. How to draw a parallel lines. So use the line of certain angle with 4000 mm. So I have drawn it. So I want to draw a line parallel to this angle starting from this point. So I want to draw parallel to this angle. So line. So go for type PAR, enter, and just drag this line. So you can see the parallel option, right? So you can see the tracing of that parallel line. So just give the command of 4000. So the parallel line will be drawn. So you can check it out with the dimension. It is 4000 and it is 4000. So both lines are 4000 mm. In case you need to find the angle, so you need to check these two angles are same. So just check with the angle. Draw a horizontal line and check the angles of both. It is 28 degree and same. This is also 28 degree. So the two lines are parallel. Next thing is, in case you need to have perpendicular line to the reference line, the same, go for line command, enter, place a point anywhere else and take ortho off and type PER, the first three letters of the, and type enter. So it shows the perpendicular point. So you can see, you can check with the angle again. So it should be 90 degree, right? So it is 90 degree. So we learned how to draw parallel and perpendicular line now. Next thing is extension. So in case you have a circle, so you need this circle exactly 1000 mm away from this endpoint. So go for circle, C, enter, and type EXT and enter. From this endpoint you can see the tracing. Just type the distance you need it is 1000 mm. So from 1000 mm you can see the center of the circle. So this will be automatically selected as the center of the circle. You can just have 2000 as the radius of the circle. So in case you need to check with the distance, so go for linear and check with the distance. Sorry, you need to go for an angle at aligned. So it is aligned. So go for aligned with the center. You can see it is 1000 mm away from the line. The next thing is apparent. So you need to move this circle 1000 mm from this endpoint. So go for move command M, enter, select the base point, type EPP, enter, select the second point. This is the second point. From here you can trace it out around 1000 mm. So make sure your ortho is off and press enter. You can just see it is 1000 mm away from your endpoint. You can see the center has been displaced from 1000 mm to this point of the line. So this is apparent. And next thing is intersection point. So in case you want to draw a circle intersecting at the point of two lines, so go for circle C, enter, and select shift and right button in your mouse. Go for apparent intersect. So select the first line and the second line you will be showing. Don't go for this indication mark. So just select the line you need to intersect. So automatically it picks up the center point of the circle. So just give the radius around you need. So it is 2000 mm. So it is 2000 mm. You can, in case you want to check it out, go for fillet F, enter, just to join these two lines. So you can see this is the center point of two intersection lines. And next thing is between two midpoints, the same. So between these two midpoints you need to have this circle. So go for circle and shift right click, go mid between 2 points, select. So this is the first point and second point. You can see this midpoint has been automatically selected. So this is used to check it out. Now you can check it out. Midpoint of this circle and the midpoint center point of the line is the same. So these are the shortcuts you need. So in case you forget the shortcuts, just click on the command. So in case circle and just shift and right click, you can have number of options for your shortcuts. You can select from your options. Thank you.